Hello, everyone. Welcome today on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, February the 5th, 2022. We have here uh, two regular Sudokus. The one is a medium Sudoku, and the second one is a quintuplet. Yes, a quintuplet. Five puzzles, five Sudokus merged into a one whole big quintuplet. Um, I'm not solve these anymore because time consuming. I need more than an hour to solve. So today only one regular Sudoku, and in today's newspaper there's also an additional with extra puzzles. Yeah. Saturday, February the 5th, 2022. 6 extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku, 2 stars. 3 stars. Tectonic with 4 stars. Binary. And a tectonic. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So only 6 extra puzzles. And half of them I will solve today. The 3 stars Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. And tomorrow on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. I will continue with the puzzles in the Saturday edition. But first, we will solve this baby. Yes, practice still continues on Saturday. Yes, and this one will be number 4082. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in addition, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. We have a 7 in this last row, 7 in the row above, so that row only place left for the 7 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row be 3, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, 1, 6, 8, 1, 6, 8, and look, we have a 1 and 8 in this column. So no 1 and 8 in this box. The 1 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 2 boxes left in the third column for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and a 9. Okay. Alright. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row will be 3 in the middle row. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Okay. Let me see. I'm thinking. How about? Yeah. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between, the only place left for the 5 is should be there. 1, 8. 8. Yeah. Thinking. 1, 3, 6. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. We have a 3 and a 6 in this column, so no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. 3, 9, 5, 3, 9, 5. 3 missing numbers in this last row. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 5 in this column. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. 1 digit left in the last row for number 9. Okay. 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8. Well. How about 1, 8, 8, 8, 8. I'm thinking. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, on the last column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 therefore should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Mm-hmm. 6. Thinking. 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We see here an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8 in the last column, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, only place left for the 8 should be there. 8. Then. 5. 1. Yes. We have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in the first row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in this row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes. In the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Okay. 1. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, only place left for the 6 will be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 6, 3, and then 9. Yeah. 5, 5. 2, 2. 2 and a 9. Yeah, 2 and a... Wait. 2, 2. 2, 9. The 7. 7, 7, 7. 7, 7. 7th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square. So no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here or there. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. Okay. 3, 3. 7, 9, and the 2. 2, 2, 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, on the last column. Only place left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 9. 1 box left in this row, the third row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 2 here. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for 2 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. Okay. 6, 3, and a 9. No. 6, 3, and 7. 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5. And the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Yeah, 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. On the last column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, 7. So we have now 2 missing numbers in the last column. 6 and a 3. 6 and a 3. Okay, here we have a pair. 6 and a 3. So these 3 missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 1, 8, 9. And we have an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 8. Now this box can be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. 2 missing numbers in this row, 6 and a 3. So the other 2 numbers should be the 1 is missing. And a 9. Yes, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9 goes there. Okay. Let me see. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box give me 3 anymore. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 6. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. This box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6, and this box should be 3. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left. In this big square, 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 9. 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers of this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow. Not faster than 50 minutes. So I'm not pleased, but with my voice, I have a lot of troubles with my voice. It's still recovering. Anyway, I like this one. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching. And before I leave, these numbers, I'm interested. I'm analyzing those numbers. So here we have 519, 519, 963, 963. Here we have the pair. And 872, 872. So we have here one pair. Alright. Thank you for watching. And well, I will see you later on with the other 3 puzzles for today. So practice still continues. Until then, bye bye for now.